is our final day here in Cali. I think we are going to the beach, but first we stopped at Albertsons so we can get some bread and cheese and we can eat some breakies. Bello lindo. I love you. I love you. I love you. We arrived at the dog beach. Look at all the doggies. Look. And we have our rats. We have our dogs right here. Come on, Skippy. They haven't been to the beach in so long. But it's really cold, you guys. It's actually really cold. I changed my outfit. So I put this cute Crocs each day. Look at the little squirrel. Look, it's posing. Is it bye? So we are in Huntington Beach now. It's really bright, but we're in Huntington. Princess is having the time of her life. The dogs are not allowed on the beach, like in this beach. But they're allowed on the sidewalk, so oh well. Look at her. Come here, Nana. You okay? You gotta let him go off his leash. So cute. Jeez, oh, come here. Ya, uno, dos, princess! Nana! Going back to the car. We went through all the little stores. I don't think I recorded it. Come on, Nana. Daddy. He loves his Lambos. He loves them. Gatito, ¿te parece un nerd? Oh man, he's gonna like let him do something with it. Yeah? Let him go inside of it or something. Who said? Nah. I don't know. Let me see what he said. Ay, vete Leilani, grábalo. Vete Leilani, vete. That guy look like Batista. Ay, Leilani, para que lo ponga en tu blog. Yari. I'm doing it from here. Nah. Dad's inside the car. Look at Yeti. Yo no sé por qué le gusta tanto ese carro. A mí ni me gusta. Yo prefiero una guaguita esa. Mira, va a hacer?
Oh
Va a hacer
my
que lo
God.
prenda, Leilanico, grábalo.
Come on, Dad, do it again.
Míralo.
Oh my God.
Ay,
That's so
Dios bendiga
nice.
el cibo. La lucita. La lucita, papi. Dios te bendiga el cibo. Va a tener un kind heart.
He was like, you want to get in there, Papi? Really?
At this time, we are at Popeye's Chicken. Dad, say hi. He loves chicken, but we got some food. Oh, we got Popeyes. Woo! Popeye's Chicken here, Poppy. That's all for you. I dropped ranch on my shirt. I'm mad. They have a backpack.
Chicken. Leg rubbing. Mom hasn't even started eating. He was holding Brenda's.
We are going to Daiso, Japan. Number 2. This time, I'm gonna look at the prices correctly, cause update. We're back at the hotel. They're eating Domino's pizza. I don't like Domino's. That's too much garlic. So I got some McDonald's. So yeah, I'm gonna eat, and then we have to pack because tomorrow we're leaving. And I bought so much stuff, like I don't know where I'm gonna. She said like always. I don't know where I'm gonna put all this junk. I might have to kick Yadi out of the car, so we're gonna see what happens. Yeah, so